Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. So what we're going to do today is we are going to go through the pieces that I'm going to be decluttering and moving on. Anything that was gifted to me, I will donate or pass on to friends and family, and anything that I bought with my money, I will probably sell, pass on, things like that. I love to dress up, feel good. If I could honestly look like this every single day, I would. I would wear a blazer. I would wear dress pants. I will wear a dress whenever. That's how I like to be. But a lot of my clothing was not reflecting that. I went through like a big rut. So I finally went through it. We're gonna get rid of some stuff. Some things I kept in my wardrobe that I'm kind of iffy about, but through spring cleaning, I'm sure I can get rid of some more. So if you like clothing related videos, if you like activewear related videos, and beauty related videos, make sure to subscribe. I upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And make sure to go follow me on my social medias. They are in the description down below. This I'm having a hard time with. I bought it from Urban Planet. I think it was about $30. I never wore it. The reason why is because it looks so nice on the outside, but on the inside it's not as fluffy and like soft. It's just like lined. So it's lined on the inside, it's not soft, so it's not extremely comfortable. But the other thing about it is I am just not like into plaid, but then when I see myself with makeup, I think I'd look really nice, but I never reach for it. So let me know in the comments down below what you think I should do with this, if I should keep it or not. I also feel like it's just a little too boxy for what I like, especially right now. And because Christmas is over, I just feel like this screams Christmas. I don't know, it's not my style, but I feel like I need to keep it because it's bright and colorful, but I never reached for it, so let me know. The next item here, I bought this and it's brand new with the tags on it, like brand new. I bought it from the store because I really wanted to wear it for Christmas, but my tights ripped, so I had no tights, and then I was going to wear it to a couple of other special occasions, but then my boyfriend told me when I put it on I looked like a schoolgirl and it looked like a uniform. Not just that, if I wear this, I have to take the straps apart and sew them because they are just a little big and long for me. And I also feel like this is an extra small, but in some areas it is just a little too big. I know that oversized is a nice style and I know that you can layer it, but I haven't reached for it. I can't get that thought out of my head, and in all honesty, I know I can only wear this for a couple months, and I feel like because we are getting into spring that I'm not going to pull this out as much. So I'm mad because I spent the money on it, but at the same time I can't hold on to something that I'm not going to keep. This was from Eclipse. I do enjoy Eclipse clothing, but I'm getting rid of it, unfortunately. Next is something new with tags. Do you see a trend here coming along? It was never worn, new with tags. I do this for a reason. I honestly don't take the tags off of some items because then when I go through my closet, I can see what I wore and what I didn't wear. Again, we have plaid. Looks very nice against me. I know, I think I should keep this, but I'm gonna tell you something right now. I didn't reach for it once after that lookbook. It's really nice to style things with. It's extremely soft and it is cute. The only thing is I never ever wear plaid. Never. And this is new from American Eagle, but I never wore it. And I honestly just don't see myself reaching for this. I could definitely see myself reaching more for like a nice like burnt orange sweater in the fall than this. So yeah, it's just not for me. These are some shoes from Fashion Nova. I'm getting rid of these because they're too big, and in all honesty they were not really good quality. I only have a couple of things left from when I did my Fashion Nova haul. I do want to try them out again just to see how their clothing is now, but like I'm getting into some of these pieces here, I'm trying to make sure that the clothing that I buy is like good quality now, and I'm focusing a little bit more on quality over quantity and pieces that I can wear like in different seasons, because like most of that stuff that's going is because it's a pattern or because it's just not for me. I do want to try them out again, so if you want to see that, make sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know. Oh, so I have this stunning blazer here from the lookbook store. I really want to get into blazers. I love that look and I've been trying to find the right blazer. I am 5'1". I'm 115 pounds. I'm a very small build, and these for me are just too big. They're both in a size small, and I get it. Oversized is a look, but I don't always want an oversized blazer, and if I do want an oversized blazer, I still want it to have some shape to my body because I am short and because my build is smaller. I don't like looking too around boxy, things like that. So although this one is very, very stunning and affordable, it just wasn't for me. And I really do wish that the lookbook store would come out with size extra small items, because every single time that I've done a haul, I run into items that are always too big. And sweaters are mostly okay. Sometimes some long sleeve shirts are okay, but it comes a point where you do want the clothing to fit your body. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna pass this on, even though it is so nice. It's just a little bit too oversized for what I want and what fits me right now. This is so sad for me to say, but I'm gonna get rid of this one as well. The reason why, again, it's oversized, it doesn't have any buttons or like zippers, and I tried to pair it with a couple of different outfits when I had like family gatherings. Nothing was looking right with it, and I just realized that it is because it doesn't fit my body and it's just a little too big. So again, I'm going to pass this along to someone who's going to like it, but let me tell you, if you're looking for very affordable blazers, they have them. And again, this isn't a size small. They do fit true to size, but if they had an extra small, I would definitely fit in the extra small for sure. But I do really like these, but I'm not going to wear them, and they're just taking up space that I honestly don't have. The next thing I'm getting rid of, unfortunately, is these pair of Roots jeans. My goodness, they looked so nice and I absolutely love them. I wish I had gotten them in a size 25 because they fit perfectly on the legs, for the booty, they fit perfectly on the waist. The only thing that these do not have is stretch in the waist. So when I sit down, it is just so uncomfortable. It is too tight in the waist, but when I stand up, I'm okay. But when I sit down, it's not pretty. It's not even the way that it makes my stomach look, because it does dig in. It's the feeling. And I don't like jeans that make me feel uncomfortable. Backtrack. I don't like any clothing that makes me feel uncomfortable, like physically feel. So as stunning as these are, I can't keep them. When I bought these in the summer, I was 106 to 108 pounds. I then went up to about 118 pounds, and now I am back to 113 pounds. So within that whole time, even at 106 pounds, I found that they were just too tight around my waist, but not tight as in the wrong size, just there's no stretch. So my number one rule for jeans is going to be look for stretch, and that's why we're going to go to American Eagle, try some curvy jeans out. But that's going to be for another day. For the next two items here, you're going to notice a similar vibe. So I'm getting rid of these because they're from the lookbook store. Very cute, like very cute. The quality of them, you're getting what you pay for. Like these here, the button is not the greatest. The zipper, you can tell, is just a cheaper zipper, but again, it's a less expensive item. The fit of them for me is just too big because it is a size small, which is normal. I did keep another pair though, only because they fit oversized but not too oversized, but these are way too oversized for me. But the one thing that I cannot get over is the scent. I do not want to purchase items this year that have a scent to them, like a dyed scent. And if I purchase something that has a scent, or if I receive something that has a scent, if I wear it and I can't smell it, then that's okay. But if I wear it and I do, and then I wash it and I hang dry it and then I still smell it, that's not okay. I have had these from the summer and I can still smell it, and that's just not something that I want. So I'm gonna pass these along. I know like the strong like dye smell does not bother everybody, but it's something that I just personally don't like. And not just that, they're just too big on me, unfortunately. Again, I do have a smaller frame, so they're just not for me. But for like some cute paper bag shorts, the lookbook store does have them if the scent would not bother you. So the last item, I don't want to get rid of this, but I feel like there's better ones out there that I just have to look for. I purchased this because it was going to be a staple. This is from Urban Planet again, and this is a black coat. The first thing about it is I want something comfortable, and this to me just feels like material. So it's not really that comfortable. It is a cute fit. I like how it goes with everything. But again, I have worn this a couple times. Like, I did get some use out of it, I won't lie. But I wore this a couple times, and what did I notice? It still smells. I've washed this a couple times, and it still smells. It was in my closet for a long time. My whole wardrobe smelled. So, that being said, every single time I open up my wardrobe, I don't want to smell a really strong piece of dyed clothing. I really don't. So that is everything. Those are all of the pieces that I am going to be getting rid of. The only two pieces that I'm not sure about is the red flannel and the like orange and brown flannel, just because they're a nice pattern, and when I hold them up against myself and try them on, I feel like they're really nice, but they just didn't work for me. So let me know in the comments down below if I should only take those two, put them in my wardrobe, and see if I wear them. And then next declutter, if I haven't, I can get rid of them. Or if I should just get rid of them because I never wore them. Everything else is going. I'm putting it in 2 piles. Whatever I can donate, I will donate. Whatever I will sell, I will sell. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This video is basically also to give you guys some motivation to go through your closet to make sure that you are filling your wardrobe and closet with pieces that fit your body, but in a sense of fitting your body that makes you comfortable physically and like confidently. Like, be happy with the pieces that you're wearing. The next video will be talking about some new clothing that I had picked up because I did go pick up some new clothing, and that is how come I had to get rid of some old stuff. But yeah, make sure to subscribe if you have not, if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to ring the bell to be notified when I upload next, and go follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you in the next one.